Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel which is Adventure Hut and welcome to you sir.
Yes.
गाड़ी आई है, बहुत दूर से आई है, आंध्र प्रदेश हैदराबाद एंड कल ही आई है और आज टेंट इंस्टॉल हो रहा है। तो सर का इंट्रो लेते हैं और जानते हैं कि कैसे ये आंध्र प्रदेश से हमारे पास पहुंच पाए और क्यों इन्होंने एडवेंचर हट को चूज किया। हेलो सर, वेलकम
Hi,
टू
ma'am.
यू।
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ, आवर व्यूअर्स।
Yeah, this is Ram, and actually, I've been searching for a good rooftop tent,
ओके,
and I have searched around 3 to 4, and among those, I found Adventure Hut is the best fit. The reason being the quality and the way it is installed, and the minute care that they take while installing. Even if something goes wrong, they are ready to spend even 1 more hour and they fit it the best. And the customer care, they do take care of the customers very well, and they have guided the hotel to stay, and I feel the best the decision that I have ever taken.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, मीन्स अ
Thank you, ma'am.
लॉट।
It's
And how do you know about the idea of rooftop tent?
Actually, I was searching through net, so
Okay.
about camping. So
Okay.
I found on the cars,
Okay.
so the logo of Adventure Hut. So then I have searched. I found among other players also, but of all, I felt the Adventure Hut is the best choice.
Thank you, sir. So thanks to you, sir.
Thank you,
Choose
ma'am.
us.
My
And
pleasure, actually.
अब इंस्टॉलेशन का प्रोसेस दिखाते हैं। गाड़ी क्रेटा है, एज यू कैन सी। फिटमेंट का हमने क्रॉस बार्स फिक्स कर दिए हैं। अब इस पे 3% टेंट यहाँ पर आ चुका है। इसका साइज रहता है 5 by 7 फीट। ये 3% टेंट है और इस सेगमेंट की गाड़ी पे इजीली लग जाता है। तो इसको रखते हैं और फिर आगे का प्रोसेस करते हैं। इसका जो फिटमेंट होता है बहुत इजी होता है। जैसे ये हमने बेसिकली हमारी खुद के मैन्युफैक्चर्ड क्लैंप है, क्रॉस बार्स है ये। इसको अटैच करके लगाना होता है पिलर से। हर गाड़ी का थोड़ा अलग होता है, लेकिन जो फिटमेंट प्रोसेस है लगभग सेम ही है। तो सर नाउ टर्न टू डेमो। You have to see the how to open the tent. So let's start. First you have to open these straps. 3 side. This side 2, another side 3. And opposite side also 2. Now you have to
Okay.
put the
Have to pull the
Yeah.
ladder and push it down.
you have to do balance it according to surface.
Okay.
Yeah. You can adjust ladders
Okay.
from the buttons.
Okay.
These are holes.
Okay.
You need to put the sticks from like this,
Okay.
not like this.
Okay.
You have to tilt and inside.
Okay.
Done?
Okay. Got it.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can do yourself.
Yeah. Yeah.
टेंट इंस्टॉल हो चुका है, प्रॉपर शेप में लग चुका है। तो आइए एक बार 360 व्यू लेते कि कैसा लग रहा है गाड़ी पे और अंदर चलते हैं। तो टेंट हमेशा की तरह बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। नॉक नॉक, कैन आई कम? तो अंदर चलते हैं। सर की पूरी फैमिली अंदर आ चुकी है, सर भी हैं, तो जानते हैं कैसा लगा।
Thank you, Nisha ji and Vikas especially. Thanks for your time and the way you have installed
Always
it really
welcome.
well. And we are really happy for the installation and the quality of the.
How looks the material and comfortable?
Yeah, it's very durable and it lasts for a long time. And the material and everything is the best.
You want to speak about the tent?
Yeah, sure.
How?
The tent is very comfy.
Hey, 1 second.
The tent is very comfy and it looks very nice. It has a lot of space.
You can sleep overnight.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, it's very
You have
nice.
to speak something interesting.
It's very nice.
Very nice. There is moon view. You can open it after the remove this side. This portion you can remove first
Okay.
and put there, and you need to open it.
Okay. Any specific reason to close that and open this? Oh, okay.
No, this is only for moon view.
This is only for new.
Stargazing.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So how about this one? This.
Yeah. This one.
Oh, that is a. Oh, now I got it.
Right.
Okay.
You need to remove first,
Ah.
and after that you can inside.
So this again we need to put that hooks, right? For
Right.
this one.
Right. Right.
So we have a provision here.
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Oh. And I think this is the best feature. Of
Thank-
all, I like it the most. It's really good. So if you want stargazing or for
Right.
moon,
Right.
it's
There
really
is
good.
also mosquito mesh.
Okay.
You
so
can
we can
come.
close
Right.
only
Right.
mosquito.
Yeah.
Nice.
Now you can see the stars and moon.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much.
How looks? Ma'am is very shy nature. Both children's also.
I brought all the way from there, from here, and now I have to speak up.
So did you like the moon view?
Yeah, yeah. I think of all, I like this one the best.
Right.
I mean, personally, I like this very much.
You can
I
feel
mean,
the ventilation
yes,
also inside the
yes,
tent,
yes,
right?
Yeah, right. And we have ample space and cool breeze. So 3 or 4 sides. So
So 4 sides are the pockets.
4 sides.
There's. You can put anything. Their side also. 4 pockets inside the tent.
Yeah. Okay.
This is changing cover. You need to put the knob there, and
So
you can change cloths there, and you need to very windy area when you have. Then you can cook there also.
we need to remove, right, while folding.
Right, right. So now turn to close the
Thank
tent.
you. Yeah, I really thank Vikas, Nisha, and Majarji. And Vikas and Majar. So even if small quality issue, also they are removing and they are doing it from fresh.
Right.
So I really like the quality and the even taking care of the customer. So I came from very far, and I asked them to guide. So they have taken me along, and they have found a good hotel, and they asked me for a comfortable stay, and I'm really very happy for the customer
This is our
satisfaction
duty.
point of view.
Atithi Devo Bhava.
Thank you, ma'am.
So
Thank you so much.
you will send the pictures of your camping.
Yeah, sure, will do.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
तो अब वीडियो को यहीं पर एंड करते हैं। सर को टेंट बहुत पसंद आया है, सर की फैमिली को भी पसंद आया है,
Yeah.
और स्पेशली चिल्ड्रंस को। तो सर इसे लेकर हिमाचल जाने वाले हैं ना, राइट? तो हिमाचल जाने वाले हैं सर, वहाँ से पिक्चर्स शेयर करेंगे। और आपको भी प्रोडक्ट पसंद आया हो, आइडियाज़ पसंद आया हो, तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए, लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग अस।